YouTube came?
No, sir.
Now?
Yes, sir. It is getting loaded.
Loaded up?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Shall we start, sir?
Not much.
Good morning
How
and a
are they?
warm welcome, sir.
Okay.
Okay. Good morning and a warm welcome to all the participants for Day 2 webinar on Android app development using MIT App Inventor. Let me give an overview about today's session. The resource person is going to discuss about app for speech to text, shake to speak, media and music player, camera, app to use G sensor, location sensor like Google Map and database TinyDB. Today's session will be more interactive and quite interesting too. Now, let me request the resource person, Professor Prem Kumar, to start the session.
Thank you, madam. Good morning to one and all. Once again, I am welcoming you all back to this day 2 webinar on Android app development using MIT App Inventor. I hope everyone gone through the yesterday session, okay, and you created own app, okay, with your mobile do it by yourself. Then only the success of this today webinar is there depend. Okay, now we'll start today's session. Before going to the today's session content, we'll see what has been seen last session, that is yesterday, and then we'll jump to today content. Okay, in last that is day 1, we have been seen what is MIT App Inventor, why MIT App Inventor is a good choice, and then we have been seen what are the how to log in into the MIT App Inventor, what are the different apps we can create. And we created 3 different apps yesterday. One is that displaying a text in your mobile if you press a button, okay. And then number 2 is that whatever the text you are typing, that will be converted into speech. Number 3, whatever you speak, okay, that will be converted as text. These are the 3 apps we have been seen on yesterday's session. Okay, now we'll be going for the 4th app. Okay, if you shake your mobile, it has to talk, it has to speak. Whatever you typed in your text box, okay, that has been converted into speech when you shake your mobile, not pressing the button. Okay, that is the app number 4. And app number, for that we are going to use accelerated sensor. Okay, app number 5 is going to be displaying the images. Okay, how to go from one screen to another screen, how to move from one screen to another screen, and in a new screen I am going to fix a background as an image. Okay, how you are going to do that. Okay, then the 6th app is going to be video player, camera. I taken only 2. Okay, you can go for music player, so many things are there that I will show you. Okay, as well as how to download your app as it is. Okay, now when you go for APK, that is when you build it, okay, you will be getting APK. That APK you can install it and you can view it as a app, whereas you can download the software and you can give it to someone in pen drive, for example pen drive, to another fellow, so that the another fellow can import this whatever the project you did, and he can continue and he can change it, okay, edit it, all those things. How to download such kind of AIA files. Okay, that also we are going to see. And yesterday in a session, I forget to tell you how to set an icon, okay, to your app. That also today I will tell you. And then 7th app is going to be how to send an SMS. Okay, you can create a SMS app, okay, where you can give a mobile number as well as a message what has to be sent, and then if you press a send button, it will be sent to the person for that particular number. That kind of app we are going to do. And then the 8th app, I am going to use Gmap, Google Map. Okay, and I am going to sense you where you are. Okay, the location where you are currently there. Okay, find the location with the help of a G sensor which is available inside your mobile. Okay, that is your location sensor. Okay, and then finally in the ninth app, a student database. Okay, I for the sake, okay, I think I am going to take a very simple roll number and students. You can extend to whatever the level you want. Okay, I am going to take only roll number and student. I am going to feed the roll number as well as student name, and then how to access back that with the help of roll number, the student name. Okay, from the database. Okay, for that I am going to use TinyDB. Okay, so these are the things brief about the content of today webinar. Okay, now I will be moving for the fourth app, that is checking the mobile. It has to be converted into speech. Okay, now I'll be moving to your app inventor. Okay, yesterday I explained how to log into this app inventor. If some people have not attended yesterday, today you are new to it. Okay, let me explain again very briefly. Okay, you have to go for Google. Okay, and then put the MIT app inverter in a Google search. Enter it, you will get MIT app inverter website. Okay, that you can click it. Okay, once you click it, okay, you will be asked to log in Gmail account. Okay, Google account. You have to give your Google account with password. Okay, once you do that, you will be getting a screen like this, but empty will be there. I created yesterday 3 apps, so 3 apps are there. Okay, if you log in first time, it is going to, then you have to press start new. Okay, once you give start new, okay, it will ask for a file name. Now I am going to create shake to speak. So yes to yes, I given a name yes to yes. Okay, then that you will be getting a app inverter platform. Already explained yesterday. There are 4 major areas there in the app inverter platform. The number 1 is that payload. The number 2 is that viewer. Number 3 is component. Number 4 is that property. Yesterday, one of the question has been asked for you in quiz evening. Okay, the quiz is that where you can find the components. Okay, to be used. I am going to use the component. Okay, that component will be available in the palette. Okay, whatever the component used component will be displayed in the component. Okay, will be displayed in the component area, whereas in this palette you are going to find what are the components you can use. Okay, that you can find it. Okay, there are so many things in this palette: user interface, and then sensors, layout. Again, today I'll explain you how to use layout. Okay, after the first step, let me explain it. Media, map, sensor, storage, connectivity, a lot of things are there in the palette. The viewer is the one where you can view how your app is going to be appeared in your phone. Okay, it is like a simulator. Okay, just it will show you how your app is going to be appeared in your phone will be shown here. Okay, and then component is the place where you can find what are the components used in this viewer. Okay, on the current project, what are the components used will be displayed in this component. And if you click the corresponding component, that corresponding property will be displayed in this property area. Okay, you can edit the property.
Prem, sir?
Yes, madam.
Sir, actually, have you shared that screen, sir?
Yes,
can
madam.
see only the slide.
Oh, sorry, 1 second.
Yes.
Thank you, madam. Now it is clear. No, sorry. Okay. So this is the palette area where you can find the components. This is the viewer area. We are going to see it, how your app is going to be appeared. And this is the component. What are the components used in this viewer? Current project will be displayed here. By clicking that corresponding component, you can get the property, corresponding component property in this property screen, property area. Okay, hope you understand. Now, I'm going to, as I said, I'm going to create an app. When I shake the phone, okay, it should speak. Okay, so before going to start, okay, let you come to a point. What are the things are required? I need a text box where I have to type the what text has to speak. Okay, that number one. Number two, I need sensor. What sensor means?
Hello,
Accelerometer
sir.
sensor. Yes,
Screen is now also not visible, sir.
it is visible. I am getting in another phone. Just check it.
No, now it is visible.
Visible, no, madam?
Yes, sir. Now it is visible.
Yes, sir. Visible, sir.
Yeah, thank you. Okay. Now, before going to start this fourth app, okay, let me explain what are the things are required. Okay, that way only we have to start creating the app. Okay. So thing number one is that, okay, I need a text box where I can type the text. Okay, that text has to be converted into speech. Okay, number one. Number two, if I want label to tell that what is this app, some information, you can put some information. So I take a label and type that shake to speak. Okay, just a label, take shake to speak. So it is not going to be the active component, but it is just to display what is this app. Okay, and I am going to put a image. In that image, yeah, I can put some shaking like phone. Okay, let me show it. Okay, and then I require two sensors, one non-visible components. The number one is that accelerometer sensor. Okay, the shaking can be found with the help of accelerometer sensor and text. Yesterday we see no text to speech. Okay, that sensor, because the text which you are typing in the text box has to be converted into speech. Understand? It's clear. So let me start taking it. Okay, first I'll take a label. Okay, I taken a label. Okay, let me take the size of the text as 24 and bold. Okay, let me give a color. Let me give it yellow color. Okay, and text color, I'll make it as here. Whatever the text I want to display is that shake to speak. Shake to speak. You can give it anything. Just to brief what this app is. Okay, I'll make the color of the text is red. Okay, and height, hope you're getting right. Height 80 pixels. You can give more than that or less than that. Okay, and with fill parent. Okay, fill parent will fill you the entire. If you give fill parent in the height, the entire this horizontal will be filled. Okay, if you give fill parent on the width, that is horizontally filled in the case of width, vertically filled in the case of height. Okay, and then I want to appear this text at center. So alignment of this, I can make it as center. Okay, done. Right. Next, I am going to take a text box. Okay, I click it and drag it to my viewer. Again, font size, I make it as 20 and bold. Okay, height 60, and then with fill parent, where I can type the text. Next, I'll take a image just to show my app fancy. I'll take an image and put it here. Okay, I'll make the height of that image as 300 and width of the fill parent. Okay, the entire thing will be there. Then upload an image. Okay, it is a I downloaded an image and kept ready for here. Okay, that I am going to take it. Okay, you can put even your photo in this place. Okay, like this I taken. Okay, so it will going to be appeared here. Okay, so like this a good display of thing will be there, like it's shaking. Okay, now I want to keep the icon also. Let me keep the icon of this what app. Okay, the app name is going to be edited, can be edited here. Here if you click the screen, okay, you can find a app name. Okay, there if you click whatever the name, you can edit it, you can delete it, and you can type it. Okay, first initially you are giving no name of the project. Okay, that is your app name. You can edit it to any different name also. Okay, now I am going to find in the screen, click the screen, find icon. You can find icon here. Now none is there. Okay, let me upload the same image. Okay, the same shaking image here. You can use a different image also. Even you can put your college logo also as a your what icon. Okay. Now this already exists. Now your icon also has been set. Okay. That's all. The front end is over. Okay. I required two components, non-visible components. Let me go and try to find out the non-visible components. Already I said what is the non-visible component is that one is text to speech. Whatever the text you are giving, typing here, that has to be converted into text. Okay. That is component number one. Text to speech. If you drag it and put it here, it will come here. Okay. Because it is a non-visible component. And then in sensor, you have to go to sensor. You will find accelerometer sensor. First one, accelerometer sensor. You can find it now. That you can drag it and put it. Okay. Now the front of your, that is your design of your app is over. Okay. Now I will be moving to block. How to write coding in the case of this one. Okay. Before going for the coding, let me explain how to write coding. Okay. It is very easy. Okay. You have to think physically what should happen. Okay. That you can get it how to write the program. Okay. So what should happen? I have to shake the phone. Okay. I have to shake the phone. Once I shake the phone, what it has to do? Whatever the text available in the text box has to be converted as speech. That's all. So first shaking the phone. Okay. So that you can find it with the help of this accelerometer sensor. Click accelerometer sensor. See here, when accelerometer sensor one dot shaking. Okay, that I take it and put it in my coding area, doc area. Okay. Yesterday, so many of you asked about what I think is called as how to get coding. Okay. See here, the block is the coding. Okay. Block is the coding. Okay. Where you cannot write coding like Java or C, C++. Okay. JavaScript. You have to take the blocks and you have to put it here. Okay. That is the coding end of your MIT app inventor. Okay. And what is next? When the accelerometer finds that accelerometer sensor is present inside your phone. When your phone accelerometer sensor recognize that you are shaking the mobile, the thing which is going to give here is going to work. Okay, what has to be done? The text has to be converted into speech. Okay, so I'll be going for text to speech. I click the text to speech. Okay, where I can find call text to speech one dot speak. Okay, that I taken and put it in. A click sound will come. That means that it is rightly fixed. And if I'll show you how to find out the error also. Okay, here you see a notification. It shows a warning. What warning means? This block is not completed. This block is not completed. So warning is appeared. Once I complete the block, okay, the warning will be disappear. Let me show the error also. Okay. And what it should speak? Call text to speak one dot speak you taken. What message it has to speak? It has to speak the message which is the content of your text box. Okay. So I'll be going for text box. I click the text box one dot text. I have to select it. Okay, text box one dot text. Here it is. Okay, I click it and understand. Now see the warning became 0. Suppose I copy the same thing, duplicate it. I copied the same thing. Here see 2 errors are there. 2 errors are there. Why 2 errors means? When accelerometer sensor one dot shaking, you have to do this. Again, same accelerometer sensor shaking, another task you are assigning. Your coding will not, your mobile will not understand which has to be done. Okay, so it appears 2 times. If you put it, your program having any error, that will be displayed here. I'll delete this one. Just click it and delete it. Okay. So it will be deleted. For example, I want to copy these blocks to another program. Okay, just you can drag this one and put it here in the bag, in this bag. One second. Okay, inside the bag, it will be available now. You can go to that program, and if you open the bag, that will be appeared. This one will be appeared in the bag. You can take it from there. Okay, so this is the way you can copy the blocks from one program, one project to another project. Let me show. When I'm going for another project, I'll try to open the bag and I'll show you whether this accelerometer sensor is present or not. Okay, understand? Clear? So that's all. My coding is over. When accelerometer one sensor one shaking, okay, it calls the text to speech dot speak. The message is that the content of your text box one dot text. Okay, I'll go back to the designer. Okay, let me run it. I already said I can build this one. I can click it. Okay, it will run and it will show you how your app is going to be appear. Let me share my mobile screen so that you can able to see this app which is going to be appear in my phone. I think hope you are able to see my mobile phone. Okay, there I'll try to open. Okay, let me browse it here. I browse my mobile and see. Yes, you can see here. No, I click that one. This place you can see, no, edit is there. No, below that edit you can see yet yes to yes, where icon also there. The icon which we set it, right, is there. You can see it. Okay, I'll open that. Now you can see the app has been created. I'll type something. Okay, hello, good morning. Morning to all. Okay, I typed it. Hello, good morning to all. Now I see I am shaking my phone.
Hello, good morning to all.
Hope you are hearing it, right?
Hello, good morning to all.
When I shake my phone, it is turning from vertical to horizontal. That is the reason why the screen has been changed.
Hello, good morning to all.
Anything you can type it here so that will be appeared in that will
Hello,
be
good morning
converted
to all.
as speech. Hope it is clear, right? Understand? Let me go back to the screen again. My presentation. Hope you are getting that app inverter screen, right? So this is the way it is going to be created in your mobile. Okay, understand? Now let me show you how to download this app. Okay, how to download this app to your computer. Okay, so that you can give it, you can share to your friends, or you can move from one system to another system. Okay, all those things can be done. For that, you have to choose this my project, export. You can see it here. Export select project dot AIA. APK file is a app. Okay, you cannot edit it. Just you can install it in your computer after you are going for build it. Whereas this export selected file, if you click it here, you can find the app is getting downloaded. Once I click it, the app will be get downloaded in your computer, and you can see it here. Yes to yes, AIA is visible. This corner you can see it, right? Down corner, bottom left hand side. Yes to yes, AI. That I can open it. I will show you that file in my downloads. Here you can see. Okay. Yes to yes, AIA. Okay. That I can go and find it in my folder, and I can copy it in my pen drive. I can move to another login. Okay, I can give it to my friend so that they can edit it. All those things can be done. Here it is there, right? You can find it here. Okay, s2 s.aia. Okay, so this is the way you can export your your app. Okay, in another computer, when you want to import it, again you have to go for my project import. Okay, import AIA from my computer. Okay, that if you click it and select that s2s.aia, you can get back this this app as it is, and it is editable. Okay, that is very important. Okay, hope it is clear, right? Let me go back to the my slides. So this is your fourth app that has been completed. Now I'll be going for the app number 5. Okay, where I like to display the photos like this. Okay, I have 4 screens. That's why all the 4 screens has been displayed here. I am going to create 4 screens. Okay, till now only one screen we used it. Now I am going to create 4 screens. Okay, with these 4 screens, you are going to put images in each screen with the your back button also. Okay, back to the first screen. Okay, let me show you how this kind of app is very simple. Okay, I used some of the cricket player Tendulkar, Virat, as well as MS Dhoni. You can use your photo, your friend photo, or your daddy, mom, brother, any photo in your app to create it. Let me go back to the MIT app inverter, and I will show you how to create such kind of app. Okay, in your hope you are able to see MIT app inverter screen. Yes, no, right. Okay. Now I'll be coming to start new project. Let me open start new project. Okay, display image. See, remember that you should not leave space in your name, project name when you are giving. I can give it display space image. Once I give it, you will get error. Let me show that also. Okay, that will be good. See here, once I give space, you get a red box here. Can you see red box? And it will tell that project names cannot contain space. Okay, delete the space. Now it is okay. Okay, you don't have any error. You can find it here. Okay, hope you are clear, right? I'll give project display image, and I open a new project. Okay, in new project, I am going to use layout also. Before going to creating this project, let me explain layout also. Okay, what is the use of layout? In palette, user interface is there. The next one is layout. User interface, you use lot of components like button, and then image, label, and then we used text box. Okay, some of the components we used it, right? Now I'll be going for layout. What is layout? The layout is the one where you can arrange the components. Okay, let me explain one by one. I taken and put a horizontal arrangement. Okay, horizontal arrangement. Now I'll go back to user interface. Let me take button 1. I'll put it here, and button 2, if I put it here, automatically it comes adjacent to your button. Before that, till now, I did not use layout. When I put button 1, it comes in the top. When I take a button 2, it comes next to that ear in this position, right? In this position, you got button 2. Let me put outside this layout. Okay, you can understand. I don't have any layout. This is the horizontal box. You can see black color box. No, that box is going to be the horizontal layout. Outside horizontal layout, I put a button 3. And button 4, if I put it, comes down. Can you able to see? Right? Okay. So, but if I take button 4 and put it inside this horizontal, it comes here. Okay. Horizontal arrangement can be done with the help of horizontal arrangement. Okay. Hope you are clear, right? Okay. Let me delete these things. Okay. And let me show vertical arrangement. What is vertical arrangement? Okay. Vertical arrangement means you can arrange it vertically. Okay, the components which you want to arrange it vertically, you can take a vertical layout. I delete, let me delete all those things. Start from again, initial stage. Okay, now I'll go back to layout. Okay, I'll take layout. Okay, where I go for vertical table arrangement. This is vertical arrangement. I take a vertical arrangement. Now see, when I insert a button 1, I taken only button 1. You can take any component. Okay, button 1 comes here. When I go for button 2 and put it inside this, it comes down. Understand? Horizontal layout, it comes like this. Next, adjacent to that, adjacent to that, adjacent to that. Okay, it occupies the width of your phone, whereas vertical arrangement occupies the vertical height of the phone. When I take a text box and put it here, it comes down here. Okay, hope you are clear with this. Okay, and another one is table arrangement. Let me show it here itself. Table arrangement. Okay, in layout, table arrangement. I taken table arrangement where I can make columns. For example, I put 3 columns, 3 rows, 3 columns, 3 rows. Okay, means that in table 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 different components you can add it in this one. Okay, let me add one by one. I taken a button 1 and put it here. It comes in the position. Hope you are understand. Button 2 here. Button 3 here. When I put button 4, it won't come here. Okay, you have to put it here. Button 4, button 5, button 6, button 7, button 8, button 9. Hope you can able to understand. Right? Clear? Let me delete all those things. I am going to use without this arrangement. I want to appear my buttons at the center of my project. Okay, if I delete this table arrangement as it is, the entire component in the table will be disappear. Okay, if I delete the vertical arrangement, the entire components in the vertical also can be deleted. This is another way of deleting the entire process. Now let me start it. Okay, in the screen itself, I try to arrange the icons at the center. Okay, here you can see alignment in screen. After clicking the screen, I can find alignment. Go for center, alignment vertically, that is also center. So vertical also center, horizontal also center. So whatever the component you are going to put will appear at the center of your screen. Previously, top of your screen. Now see, I taken a button and put here. It appears at the center of your. Previously, it appears here. Okay, at the top corner. Okay, now because I click the screen. Okay, I put it here center. Okay, I can able to make my text available here. Hope it is clear, right? Like that, I require 3 buttons. Let me take button 2 and button 3. Okay, button 1. Okay, I'll make it as font size 20 and bold. Background color, let me give yellow color. Okay, and then text on the button, I'll make it as searching because I am going to display searching photo. If I press this button, okay, searching. Okay, the color of the text also you can edit it to red color. That is your wish. Okay, and the height of the button, let me make it as 60, and width of the button, let me make it as 100. I did not give full pattern. Okay, so it is going to be like same way. Button 2. Okay, in button 2, I'll fix the font size as 20 and font is bold. Okay, height 60 and then width 100. It is your wish, you can change the width also. Color of the button, background color, magenta color. Let me use magenta color. And the text I want to display here is MS Dhoni. Okay, simply I put it as MS. Okay, and then let me type Dhoni itself. MS Dhoni. Okay, and the background of this is going to be, sorry, I will pick the background magenta color and text as white. Okay, it will be appear very nice. The text color, I'll make it as white. And the last button, third button, okay, again font size 20, bold, and I will make it as Virat. The text which I am going to display here is Virat. Okay, and then color of text, I'll get itself, okay, and then background color, let me as cyan color. Okay, these are the primary colors you need. Okay, in between that color is yellow, magenta, cyan. So I use this color, and then height 60, and then width 100. Okay, clear. Now front end is over. Okay, that is front end design is over. Okay, now I'll open a new screen, add screen. If you press add screen, okay, it will ask you screen name. Okay, screen 2. I'll keep it as it is. You can change edit your screen name also. Let me, I don't want to edit it. I'll make it as screen 2 itself. Okay, screen 2 is for what? Tendulkar. Okay, and then another screen I am adding it. Let that screen will open. Okay, take some time. Another screen, that is screen number 2 or 3. Sorry, screen number 1 is the front end screen that the buttons are there. Screen 2 is for Sachin Tendulkar, and I taken a screen 3 that is for MS Dhoni, and the screen 4. I'll add a screen. Okay, I'll come back to the screen 2 where I am going to fix that background as Sachin Tendulkar. The screen background. Okay, I am going to keep it as Sachin. I'll come to the screen 2. Okay, I'm going to click the property of screen 2 and try to find out background image. There I click it, upload, go to upload, choose the file. Already I downloaded these 3 images, Sachin Tendulkar as well as Virat Kohli and Dhoni. I am going to add it one day. So in screen 2, I added Sachin Tendulkar image. It will be appeared here. Okay, you can see it here. I taken a button because once you came to this screen, you have to press back. No, okay. So let me put back, just back. Okay, and then bold. I'll keep it font size as it is. Okay, and then screen 3. Let me go for screen 3. Okay, there I will try to go background image. So there I require MS Dhoni image. Okay, choose the file. Okay, MS Dhoni and open it. MS Dhoni image will come here. I taken a button, same back. Okay, I will put a button here. Okay, and then I press the text as back. And font size is booked. Okay, that's all. All right. And then I'll go back to the screen 4. Once you click the screen, you'll be getting what are the screens are used. Okay. Again, in this screen, the background is going to be, I'm going to use Virat. Okay, Virat Kohli. That image, and I opened it. I put OK. Then Virat Kohli image will appear here. Button. I put the button here. Okay, bold and back. It has back. Now to the coding. Okay. I'll go back to the first screen. You have to code. You have to write the blocks. Yes, sir.
Sound somewhat different, sir.
Sound is not clear, sir.
Not clear, sir.
Now.
Now it's okay.
Okay, sir. Fine. So I think everyone audible, right? Okay. Now you have to program the screen by screen wise. Okay. What first screen, what program code is to be there, that block is different. Second block, another different. So I selected the screen 1. I go to the block, very simple coding. When I click the button 1, you know what has to be done? It has to open the new screen, right? The screen number 2. Okay, so control, you have to use control here. Control, open a new block, open a new screen, sorry. Open another screen. Okay, screen name. What is the screen name? Screen 2. So text, open the text. You can find a empty text. This is a place where you can add strings, right? Okay, the screen name is screen 2. So capital letter C, CREN 2. Hope you understand, right? Similarly, I have to do for button 2, button 3, and button 2 as well as button 3. See here, just I click it, duplicate. It appears 2 times, right? Okay, I click here and made as button. Okay, which screen it has to open? Screen. It's clear? Again, I click here, duplicate. Okay, copy, just copy. Button 3. By clicking here, you will get what all the buttons are used. Okay, there I can go and make it as button 4. Button 4. Hope it is clear now. Screen 1 program is over. Screen 2, only one button is there in the screen 2. Okay, screen 2. Again control. Sorry. Button. Button. Once again. Button. One dot click. Okay. Control. You have to give open another screen. Open another screen with the name screen 1 now, because back to the screen 1. Hope it is clear, right? Okay. Now I copy this for screen over here. In my bag. Screen 3. Now see, I click the bag. It is available now. Just I copy it and paste it here. Understand? Very simple, no? Screen 4. Bag. Copy and now all screens I programmed it. Screen 4. I copied it from the bag and put it here. Okay. You cannot copy one screen directly from there to another screen coding blocks. You have to put it in this bag, and from bag you can pick it. This bag will be appeared in all projects. Even if you start new project, the same thing will be available. Okay, you can open it. And now everything is over. Let me design it. I designed it. Okay, I started downloading this one. Okay, let me share my phone screen. Now phone screen is appeared here, right? Okay, I'll open the app which I created, display image. Now you can see Sachin, MS, and Virat, right? Okay, I'll click Sachin. It goes to the screen Sachin. Then, okay, I press back. It come back to the first screen. If I press MS Dhoni, it goes to MS Dhoni screen. Screen number 3. In top, you can see screen number 3. If I press back, it will come back to the main screen. If I press Virat Kohli, it goes to Virat Kohli screen, that is screen number 4. If I press back, come back to the. So this is the way you can create your what app to display the images, and you can move from one screen to another screen. Hope it is clear. Okay, I'll go back to the my slides. Let me share the slides again. Okay, let me share new share. I'll go for sharing my slide. Is clear? Okay. So this is the way you can share your, you can display your images with the help of another screens. Okay. Now we'll be going for video player and camera app. Okay. Let me go for a video player. This is the 6th tab. Okay. So here, what are the things are required? Okay. Again, I taken a label where I put it as SITAMS College, just an example. Okay. And I am going to take a player, video player from the media. Okay. And another button. This is the button. Open player is there. No, this is the button. I hided the button. Only the text has been. I given the color of the button white. So background also white. So the button is not appear at it. And a canvas where I like to display the photo which I taken, and here another button, take photo. Okay. And two invisible component, active starter one as well as camera. So what is this active starter means? It is a one what non-visible component which is used to open another what app, another application. If you want to open it, you have to use active starter. Okay. So your app is going to be now player. Okay. That is music player. Okay. From that app, you're going to convert it into, you're going to open a player app. Okay. So active starter is required. Okay. Let me go back to the MIT app inventor and try to create a new one. This is previous app. Let me start a new project. Okay. Here I can keep it as name, which I like to keep here is that my video player. So it's my video player. It is not the app which is going to be created by someone else, or which is not the app which comes in with your mobile. Okay, I am going to create a app, my personal app. Okay, where using that I am going to create videos. Not create videos. I am going to open videos. Okay, clear? Let me go back to one by one. Okay. So before going to that, what are the things are required here? Already just now said. Okay, a label where I am going to display SITAMS College. Okay, you can display your name also, and then video player. Okay, and then two buttons, one for open and play, another one button for take photo, and then a canvas. The canvas is the one where you can display the images in your screen by taking photograph, and then two components, non-visible components. One is active starter, the another one is camera. Okay, let me open one. Let me put it here. Okay, so initially a label. I taken a label. Okay, and font size 24. Bold. Okay, and then the width, fill parent, and then height. Let me make it as 80. Okay, and the color, background color of this label, let me make it as orange color. Different colors. Okay, and then the text color red. Okay, that will be the good color for orange background. Okay, now in the text, I'll give in capital letter SITAMS College. SITAMS College center alignment. Okay, even I can make it slightly bigger in font size. Okay, clear now. Then the next thing what I required is that a video player. Okay, in media, sound player is there, sound recorder is there, so many things are there. Now I like to put it only video player. Okay, you can use anything, right? I put it here. Okay, width and everything automatic. Okay, then another one thing is that button. Okay, taken a button and put it below this one. Okay, you can arrange it wherever you want with the help of your layout also. Again, 20 font size. Okay, and then bold. In over the button, I am giving the text open and play. Let me make the text size text in center. Okay, and then color of the text is red, and button already I said I am going to appear only thing, so I'll give it none. Also you can give it or white. If you give white, it will suit to the background color. Then I taken a canvas. Canvas will be available here in drawing and animation. You'll find the canvas. Okay, where it will help to do drawing also in your app. You can create app to draw something. Okay, and then I am not going to do anything, just I want to appear in the center. Okay, that's all. In screen itself, I'll make everything center. Vertical alignment. Okay, and then finally another button just to take photograph. Okay, the color of that make it as take photo. And then font size is 20, bold, background color white, so that it will not appear. You can give any color, and then text at center. Thing is that green. Okay, understand? It's clear. Now this I'll make it as with fill bar, so that it will be appearing in the center. Same way with fill bar. Now two invisible components are required. The number one is going to be in media camera. You can put it here. It is an invisible component. Remember, camera one is the invisible component, and number two is that I want active starter, which is there in the connectivity. It is going to connect one app to another app. That's why it is there in the connectivity. Active starter. See, active starter and camera. So what are the components I used here will be displayed in your component. Let us see. Label just to display SITAMS college. Video player where I am going to like to play video, and then button. Okay, button is used to display that open and play. When once you click that one only, it has to open your video and you can play it. Okay, and then canvas used to display your image, and then button 2. Okay, button 2 is to just display photo, take photo, and then camera where this is another app, application which is going to be open with the help of active starter. And active starter, any other application, if you want to open it, you have to use active starter. Let me go back to the coding of this app. Okay, blocks. I'll go to the blocks. Hope it is visible. Right. Okay, you're getting the MIT apps inverter screen, right? Okay, in that blocks is there. Okay, now first before going to that, let me tell you what you have to do. So button one, open and play is there. No, that is button one. When I click that button, so button one I am clicking. When I click button one dot click, okay, I opened it. What it has to do? It has to open another application called as video player. So for that you require to call active starter. Okay, active starter is a one which is going to open another activity in your phone. So click active starter one. Okay, there you can find call active starter one dot start activity. Call active starter one dot start activity. Okay, that I put it. Now the another activity is going to be started. Okay, again I press active starter. There you can find again when active starter after activity, that is after the activity is started, what it has to do. When active starter one after activity, that is activity is started, what it has to do. It has to start a video player, right? Now that is what important. So video player, I am clicking it. Okay, set video player dot source. Here is there. Set video player one dot source. The source is going to be, you are going to fix as a URL. Okay, what URL means? That application you are going to click it. Again, active starter. Okay, active starter dot URL, result URL. Once you are clicking no your file to play, okay, that URL is going to be there. Understand? It's clear. Yeah, it is there. Okay, hope it is clear. So when active starter one dot start activity, set the video player dot source active starter URL. This URL result URL is that you are going to click it in your phone, the selecting video. Okay, that is the URL. For the camera, another button I have used it, that is button 2. Okay, when button 2 is clicked, you can go for when button 2 is clicked. Okay, when button 2 is clicked, what it has to do? Okay, it has to take photograph. That's all. Okay, to take photograph, what is the app I have to use? Camera. Okay, so click the camera. Okay, call camera one to take photo. That's all. Very simple. Call camera one to take photo. Okay, okay. Now photo is taken. Okay, photo is taken by camera. That has to be displayed in the canvas, right? Okay. So again, I am clicking the camera when camera one after picture. Okay, after taking picture. Okay, camera after picture is taken, that has to be displayed in your canvas. Okay, so set canvas. Here canvas is there. So I click the canvas. Here so many blocks are there. Just I have to take this help you to drawing and all. Okay, you can draw it anything in your app. Okay, so I am going to select set canvas. Okay, background image, but I taken background color. Okay, no problem. I fix it here. I'll change it here. This is the way also you can change it. Okay, set canvas one dot background image. Okay, what background image? The image you taken photograph, right? That if you click it here, get image. In camera it is there. Okay, get image. That image. That's very simple, right? Now I am going to what? Install, build this app. Okay, very simple app which is going to be built here. Okay, that I am going to display it in my phone. Okay, it is created. I'll open my phone. I share my screen. Let me share my screen. Okay. Now you can able to see that whatever the app which I created. Now I'm going to start playing a video. I'm going to click open and play. Once I click open and play, it goes for the recent documents where I go and try to find out video files. A lot of video files are there. I like to play this. Okay, select it and press OK. The selected file will be appeared here, and then you have to click it here. See, play button is there. Once I play, hope you are able to view it as well as you can able to listen the audio. Clear? Understand? Okay. Now let me stop this one. I'll try to take a photograph. I'll take a photograph of this image, my laptop image. Taken, photograph is taken, my laptop image, and that will be displayed in the canvas. Can you able to see? Okay. So this is the way you can use. This is your camera. Okay. You created a camera app in your phone. Okay. The camera app which has been created by the some other fellow you are downloading from Play Store or you're downloading. Even you can edit the image also. That also is a big task. Okay. That I in this class it cannot be explained. Okay. In a small session like this. For that itself, a separate class has been required to edit your what the entire.
Sir,
Yes, sir.
sorry for disturbance.
Sir.
Some participant asked, you are telling fast.
Oh,
So
fast.
little bit
I'm
slow.
fast. Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Let me go slow.
Okay, sir.
Now you are able to see a screen. You can able to see screen, no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, sir. Thank you. Once again. Sir. Jagdishan, sir.
Tell me, sir.
Sir, my phone Zoom app has been came out, sir. Once again, I'll log in, sir.
Okay, lock out.
Can you allow me?
Locked.
Yes. Yeah.
Okay, I enabled again to use, sir.
Okay, sir.
So distance coming, I just locked.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Okay.
I understand.
Release now. You join.
Yes, sir. 1 second. Admit me, sir. Can I admit myself, sir?
Admitted, sir.
Sir, make me as a co also, sir. Co first.
We'll make it, sir.
Yeah. Fine, sir. Now you are able to see the screen. Okay. So this is the way you can.
Completed, sir?
Yes, sir. No, not completed, sir. Let me continue. Okay. So this is the way you can create a video and player. You can do what some other things like audio player or even a video recorder. All those things can be done, right? So this is what the coding which I did it. Once again, I'll explain you. Someone said that I am a little bit faster. Okay, let me explain. What are the components I used here is that I taken a label just to display SITAMS college and a video player that will be appeared in the palette in the place of media. Under media you will find video player that I drag it and put it here. That is this one. Okay, and then a button with the name open and play. Okay, I hide the button by making my background is white. This is also white. Background also button background also white. So only it appear as a text open and play. and I taken a canvas. Okay, canvas is used to display an image on the your phone. Okay, and take photo, another button. Okay, take photo. Okay, so that button is going to be there. Again, background of the button and I taken two invisible components. One is active starter one, another one is camera. What is active starter one means? Okay, when you are opening another application, this is one application. You are now you are creating app, no video player. Okay, is a one application. This is going to open another application called as video player. Okay, so that application, if you want to open, you have to go for active starter. Okay, so this active starter is used to open a website. It is used to open your another application which is there in your phone. Not only this application, you can open any other application also in your phone. If I want to open for example, I want to open WhatsApp, means you can give it WhatsApp. Okay, so that will be open once you click that active starter button. Okay, and then canvas is used to display the image. Okay, and take photo is another button. Okay, camera is also a non-visible component. Let me go back to the coding. Button one is to open the player and run the player. Okay, so I am calling the call active starter one dot start activity. Once that is done, okay, active starter one dot after activity, I am opening the set video player source. Video player source. Okay, active start dot URL, result URL. What is result URL means? You can browse to your window and you can click a file so that will be opened. Okay, and you can play these two blocks is meant for opening a video and playing. Okay, coming to the camera, the button 2, if you press it, call camera 1 to take picture. Okay, it takes the picture, but that picture has to be displayed in your app. No, for that I am using canvas. Okay, so when camera 1 after taking picture, set canvas dot background of the canvas. Okay, the image you are getting from here. If you click here, you'll get the image. That image came from your camera 1 after taking photograph. Okay, so this is the way you have to write the program. Let me go very slowly. I'm going to create another app. Okay, just to send an SMS. Okay, here I given one number. Okay, one phone number, one text, send it. Okay, you can add any number of phone number, like that also you can create it. For simplicity, it is now in my case I will one phone number and a message, and it is going to send. So your app should be appear like this. Okay, your app should contain you're able to see screen, app screen. Now it is visible. Okay, in your app you should have mobile number. Okay, and a text box where you are going to enter the 10-digit number, and then message where you like to type whatever the message you are going to send it. Okay, and a button. So totally 1 2 3 4 5 what components I taken. One is this is label, mobile number, a text box 1, and message another label and text box 2, and one button. Okay, now we'll go back to the MIT app inverter to create this app. Okay, let me go to share screen. Sorry, in case. Okay, I'll go for now. Hope you're visible with MIT app inverter screen. Let me start a new project. SMS1. I given name SMS1. Okay, as the file name, and I give OK. This is your 7th project. Now screen is opening. A empty screen is opening. Now it is visible in screen. Can you able to see the screen? Okay. Now what are the things are required? Just remember, what label first? One label where I am going to type bold. Okay, and text which has to be displayed here is that mobile number. Okay, is visible now. Let us make it that font size as 20. So that it will be little bigger. Okay, first label just to display a mobile number. Okay, it is not going to do anything. Okay, then I taken a text box. Can you able to see text box? Right, this is text box 1. Again, whatever I am typing there, no, that font size is 20 and it is going to be bold. Just you have to type the number which you like to send SMS. Okay, and then the third one is message, another text as a label putting here. Okay, let me make that font size as 20, bold, okay, and then text as message. Okay, and another text box where you like to type your message. Okay, and the font size is 20. Let me make both the width of the text box as 200, 250 wider, little bit wider. This also I'll make the width as 250 wider. Okay, that's all. A button is required. Once you click that button, it has to send that message. Okay, a button I taken and put it here. Okay, bold, font size is 20. When you are doing practice, you give a different font size and try to see how it is appeared in your phone. Send text. Okay, that's all. This is what my front end design. So totally you can see here in component label. The label is used to display mobile number. Label 1 is used to display mobile number as it is. Okay, that will be appeared as it is. It's not going to do anything. Text box 1 where you are going to type the number. Okay, for which you like to send message. And label 2. Okay, label 2 is going to be just displaying message. Okay, just message. The word message is displayed there. And text box 2 where what message you like to type. Okay, that will be appeared here. And a button, once you click that button, it has to send a text. Okay, number which you type in the mobile number. What is the message is that what is the content present in your text box 2. Okay, for that you required a invisible component available in your social. Okay, in case of social, you can send email, you can send you can make a phone call, you can share it using your Wi-Fi. Okay, and then you can share it even using Bluetooth. Okay, contact picker, all those things are there in the social, in which I'll try to find out texting, sending message. Okay, I put it here. That will be appeared in the bottom of your screen because it is non-visible component. Hope it is clear, right? That's all. These are the components, 6 components, which I dragged from the payload and put it in the viewer. Now I will be moving to the block section. So again, the coding is very simple in the case of what sending an SMS. Just when the button is clicked, okay, when the button 1 is clicked, okay, it has to send a message to the mobile number which is there in the text box 1. The message is going to be where it is going to be there in the text box 2. Okay, that's all. So I go for the blocks. Okay, you can find a empty blocking area is there, that is coding area is there. So here the task is that button 1. When I press button 1, what it has to do? It has to send the message. which message it has to send, with the message which is available in your text box 2. For what number it has to send? The number which is present in your text box 1. Okay, so click again texting. Okay, texting one dot mobile phone number. Mobile number is there. Okay, I drag it and I put it. Okay, where your mobile number is there? In text box 1. Okay, in text box 1 is there. So I'll go for text box 1. Text box 1 dot text. I taken this one. I changed as text box 1 dot text. Is clear? So I am setting the phone number. The phone number will be available in text box 1 dot text. Next, what I have to do? I have to set the message, texting message. So again, I'll be going for texting. Okay, set texting. This everything has to be done inside after clicking your button one. So I am putting under this. Okay, set texting one dot message. Which message? The message is available in your text box 2 dot text. So I'll click the text box 2 dot text. Text box 2 dot text. Clear? So I set the phone number available in your text box 1 dot text, and set the message. The message is available in the text box 2 dot text. Now I have to send. Okay, send the message, right? That is also present in your texting. Okay, when you're going for texting, you will find call texting 1 dot send message. Right, it will appear. Let it appear. You can see here call texting 1 dot send message, that you have to drag it and put it below. So when button 1 dot click, if you click it button 1, okay, it has to your phone number, texting phone number as text box 1 dot text, whatever the text which is available in your text box 1, and then you have to set the message as whatever the message, whatever the thing you typed in your text box 2. So set texting 1 dot message is equal to text box 2 dot text, and called text box 1 dot sending. It is going to send your message. Let me build this one. Okay, I'll go for this build. Okay, I'm building it. Let me open my phone. I try to share my phone. I taken my phone. Let me share that one. Now you can able to see my mobile phone screen. Okay. SMS1. Okay. SMS1. I open that. You can find it here. Okay. Mobile number and then message and then send button. Okay. I click that message, my mobile number. I am sending message to my number. So 999408570. Okay. Message is there. SITAMS college. SITAMS college. Now, once I press send, the message is sent. Okay, the message is sent. Okay, and you have to enable your message. Okay, then only your message will be sent in your phone. You have to enable your message. Now, see in my message, I got SITAMS. Okay, in my message, I got failed. Why it is failed? Let me use another sender. 1 second. maybe my messaging what validity may be over. That is the reason, but it will send it. Okay, don't worry about that. Okay, this is the way you can send your message. Is clear, right? Okay, let me go back to the slides once again. Okay, now I am going to create another app. Okay, Google Map to locate yourself where you are. Okay, that location finding. Okay, when you are running this app, your location navigator should be on. Okay, that is when you are moving in what to say, in vehicle, you try to find your path. No, okay, you will select a place where you like to go. Okay, and you should on your GPS. Okay, location GPS. Okay, that icon should be on, then only it will work. Okay, so I am going to create a app on the map. It is your own app. Okay, even you can use your Google Map. Okay, Google Map, that is different. Now the map will be available in the what, in your app inverter itself. That map I am using it, so it will appear in a different way. You can use the same satellite map is there, no, Google satellite map, that also can be used, and you can create apps. Okay, that is another point. Okay, let me do this. Okay, to do that, what are the components I required is that map. Okay, that is one component, and marker. This is the marker, red color one, you can see, no, red color one here. Okay, that is your marker. Okay, that is going to indicate your the place where you are, and then a button. After clicking this button, show my location. Okay, is there, no, show my location? After clicking that button, it will show your location in your map. And then a location sensor. Okay, location sensor, it is a non-visible component. So the items, the components which is going to be required is that map, and then marker, and then a button, and then a non-visible component, location sensor. So 4 things. Okay, let me go back to the slides and we'll try to see that how to write program for this. Okay, again, let me share the app inverter screen. Hope you are able to see MIT app inverter screen. Okay, I'll go for new project. Okay, so these many apps we created, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This will be available, okay, till you are deleting it. Okay, in your what account. Okay, so you can when I go for my what account, that is premkumar@apce@gmail.com, you can find nearly 200 to 300 apps. At last, next after this, I'll show you in that login. Okay, so that mean number of apps I created with the help of this what one. Okay, fine. I'll give a start new project. Let I make it as Gmap. Okay, Google Map, just otherwise location, whatever you like to give, you can give your own name. Okay, the you will get a empty string. Okay, and another point is that I am using the map which is available in the MIT app inverter. You can open a website, Google Maps website, and you can locate yourself also. That will be very good. Okay, that will give you a better look when compared to this map, whatever the available in your what this location. Okay, I will be going back to the map. You can find map here. Okay, in maps, you have to go for in the palette. Maps will be there. That maps, if you open it, okay, you will find map here. Can you able to see map? Okay, I drag it and put it here. Here, map is going to be located here. Okay, and then this is showing somewhere Canada or something. You can see in this map. Okay, Canada and something. So what I do means I want my location. Okay, so to do that, okay, what I do means I'm in Vellore now. Right now I'm in Vellore. I'll do Vellore. Okay, and then I'll go for Vellore. Okay, Vellore. Okay, Vellore. Okay, Vellore. Okay, Vellore. Okay, Vellore. Okay, Vellore. It is optional. This is, if you want, you can put it. Okay, Vellore latitude, longitude. Okay, clicked it. It is optional. Okay, here Vellore latitude is shown 12.916 north and 79.1325 east. I copied this value. I'll go back to MIT app inverter. Okay, here is there no center from string? Okay, where your map has to be centered. I pasted this one. I'll delete this n as well as degree, all those things. Let me delete it. Once I do so, okay, your screen now changed to Vellore location. Can you able to see Vellore location? This is the Vellore location. Okay, Vellore, it is centered to Vellore, not to my location. Okay, it is centered to Vellore. It's showing the Vellore map. Okay, I'll make that height as fill parent and width also fill parent, so that the entire screen is going to be your map. Let me put one more button. I want to put button. Once I click that button, only your location has to be shown. Okay, below this I want to. Okay, here button is appear. Bold, italic, font size is 20. In which I'm going to give. Find my location or show my location. That will be better. No, find my location is not. So my location. Okay, now it is clear. So, and another component which I required is that in maps marker. Okay, in maps I open maps marker. What is that marker means? It is an indicator. It's going to show you the indicator. Just I kept it. Okay, just I drag it and kept it in the map. The location I am going to set it in my coding. Okay, you can see marker here. Just I drag it and put it any place in the map. Okay, the location where this has to go, I am going to write in my blocks. Okay, clear? Okay, then location sensor. In sensor, you have to click sensor. Okay, already we use accelerometer sensor here. Okay, there are so many sensors are available. Now the second sensor I am going to use here is that location sensor. You can find it here. Location. Put it here. It appear here because it is a non-visible component. You can see it is appeared here. It is a non-visible component. So in front end, what are the things I used? See the component place. What are the things I used? A map, a marker, a button, and a location sensor. Map, just to show you the map. It is not going to play any role. Just it is going to show the map. Okay, but I have to change the map location, zoom the map in such a way that it drag to my location. Okay, and then marker is going to point out where I am. Okay, and then a button. After clicking this button only, it is the marker is going to move and it is going to show my location. And then location sensor is a non-visible component which is added to find out the longitude as well as latitude of your current location with the help of your mobile sensor, which is present inside your GPS sensor, which is present in your mobile phone. Understand? It's clear? Let me go to the blocks. Okay, I'll go to the blocks. Now it is going to be an empty block is there. Now tell me what it has to do. It has to do when a button 1 is clicked. Okay, it has to set your map location to myself. Okay, my position. You know, no, when you open a Google map, it will adjust itself and it will show your area closer to your area. That is the task I am going to do when a button 1 is pressed. And point number 2 is that your location has to be pointed out by the marker. The red color one symbol I shown, no marker. So that thing you have to do it. So I'll be going for button 1, when button 1 dot click, okay, what it has to do, it has to show the map. Okay, I'll open the map. Okay, here so many things are there. Okay, just I am going to take map pan 2 point 2. Okay, map pan 2, call map 1 dot pan 2. Okay, I am going to adjust my map to the location where I am. Okay, so map, call map 1 pan 2. Okay, latitude and longitude I required. I just now copied the latitude and longitude from the net, but Vellore, not my location. I am away from Vellore. I am nearly 5 kilometer away from Vellore. I am in Rangapuram. Okay, so 5 kilometer away. I am not I did not copied anything. Just I want to make that figure to center to Vellore. That's why I taken it. It is optional. You can leave it as it is. Let it be there in the America. And when you click the button, it will move to India, Tamil Nadu, and it is going to show you. Okay, that also you can do it. Got my point? See, once again I'll show you. Let me delete it if you want. Okay, in maps. This one it will find some other place. It point out to the America something. Okay, understand? In a default location. When I press the button, it will automatically zoom. Your map will be automatically zoom to the Tamil Nadu Vellore. Okay, understand? So call map 1 pan 2 latitude and longitude. I have to set it. Where the latitude is present, where the longitude is present, I have to get it from what? The sensor called as location sensor. Okay, so I will go to the location sensor. I click the location sensor. Okay, where I want location sensor dot latitude. Here is there. Location sensor 1 dot latitude. Okay, again location sensor. I pressed it. There you will location sensor 1 dot longitude. That you have to drag it and put it here. Zoom, you have to give the zoom value, mathematical value, that is number. It should not be a text. Okay, so a blank number that will be there in math. Okay, math, I clicked it. You will get these things. You got it, no? Longitude. Okay, longitude sensor 1 dot longitude. Just I click and drag it and put it here. This will be available in your location sensor. Now zoom, the value zoom, I have to give it as number. How much zoom you have to give it? A closer zoom. If I go for 1 zoom or 10 zoom, okay, it will be very closer. You cannot able to visible your map. Okay, so let me give in order of 10, 15, 20. Okay, that is a better view. You will get it. Okay, so to do that, I have to click this map. Once I click this map, a mathematical value you can give it. 10 numbers you can give it. If I go for text, it is a word, a string you can give it. Whereas in math, if you go, you can give integer or a decimal value or whatever value you can give it here. I drag a number value. It is there as 0. As defaultly, it is there as 0. I convert it as 15. That will give you a better visibility of your map. Hope understand? Very simple. When I press the button, your map will adjust to the position, longitude as well as latitude from your sensor, that is GPS sensor, which is available in your mobile phone. Okay, in that area it will set it. Now I have to make my marker to display that marker. Okay, so when I press the button, the change in the zoom will happen. Okay, zooming will be happen. Okay, in your map. So I'll make use of that. Okay, I'll click the map. Okay, when zooming, you can see here. I'll select when map 1 zoom change. You can see. Okay, when map 1 zoom change. You will feel when I'm using this map. Okay, zooming, you can see it when I use this map. Okay, when map 1 dot zoom change, click it and put it here. Okay, the marker, that is what I want to show. No, okay, marker. Now click the marker. it will show it here. I want to set the location of the marker. Okay, try to find that. Call marker to set location. Call marker 1 dot set location. You can find it here, right? Okay, that I drag it and put here. Clear? Okay. Where the latitude and longitude is there, that will be available in the location sensor. Just I click it here, duplicate. Okay. Here. Or else you can take it from here. You can take it from here. Okay. Latitude I put it, longitude. Location sensor longitude. Just take that one and drag it, and that's all. You set your marker to the position of latitude and longitude from the location sensor, that is nothing but your GPS sensor, which is available in your phone. On this occasion, I like to tell you a point, okay, how your location is going to be dragged by your GPS. Okay, actually there are 32 satellites, GPS satellites are available. 32 GPS satellites are available, out of which 24 satellites are going to be active. Totally 32 satellites, out of which 24 satellites are going to be active, out of which to find your location only 4 satellites are used. 4 satellites. Okay, 4 satellites. Actually 3 satellites are enough. Okay, but they will use 4 satellites to exactly they use to find out your position. Okay, they use 4 satellites, okay, to find out your position. Whenever you are using Google Map, it use 4 satellites to locate you. Okay, understand? But totally 32 satellites are there all over world. Out of which 24 will be active, and out of 24, 4 will be used to find out the location of your latitude and longitude. That is very important. That's all. Now you created your programming, very simple programming. Okay, when the button 1 is clicked, I created a button called as show my location. Okay, that button, when it is pressed, your map has to adjust to your position. Okay, depending upon your longitude as well as latitude. Okay, and then I have given a zoom 15. Suppose if you give zoom 100, it will be very closer. Okay, you cannot view anything. Okay, if you give 1 or 2, it will be very away. If you give one entire world map, you will see. Okay, like that, the entire thing will be seen. Okay, you can change the zoom. It will be very nice to see that. Okay, so that way I'll give my choice is 15. Okay, you can change your value of zoom from 1 to even 100. Okay, and you can see the difference. Okay, that will be very interesting. Now I want to point the marker also. I used a marker yeah, in design, that I will show you again. This is the marker. You can find this is the marker, red color one. Okay, this is the marker. Okay, that I want to set to my location. Okay, so when map 1 zoom change, when it is changing the zoom, I call the marker 1, which will be available here. Okay, in the marker. Okay, I'll call the marker 1 to set location. Which location? The location which is given by your sensor, location sensor. That is nothing but GPS sensor, which is available inside your mobile phone. The latitude, and longitude value from your G sensor, that is your GPS sensor, will be taken from your sensor in your phone, and it is going to be given to the marker, and the marker will point out that latitude and longitude in your map. Hope it is clear. Very simple. Okay, let me run this app. Now the app is getting ready. Let me share the screen in my mobile phone. Share screen. Start sharing. Now my mobile phone screen is shared. Okay. Now I am opening map which I created now. Now you see randomly it is available in near to Vellore. Okay, this is Vellore. Center point is Vellore. That latitude longitude position just I put it to point out my map towards Vellore. You can if you copy Chittoor, or you can leave it as it is. Okay, the map will be showing some Canada or America, but once you press this button, show my location, it will zoom in and it will come back to your location. Now let me press that my location in my phone, show my location button. Now you can see my location is shown. Vellore is somewhere here. Okay, and it points out, this pointer will point out my location. So now I try to zoom in. Okay. I adjust my phone. Okay, now Vellore is here. Previously it shown here, but when I click that show map, it points here. Okay, I am here now, right now. Okay, if again I press show me, it will zoom me to the 15 zoom and it shows. Clear? Okay, if I press show me, it zoom itself, the map will be zoomed and it will show. Even you can use Google map itself, real-time satellite map itself, to point out. Sir, are you getting my video, sir?
Sir,
Video is visible, no, madam? My phone.
your phone is visible, sir.
Yeah. What else is not visible, madam? Sir is sending message that it's not visible. Okay, phone is visible, right?
Yeah, your phone is
That is
visible.
very,
We can
very
see the screen app.
Yeah. So this is the way you can make your pointer, that is a marker, to your position. Even you can use this map. You can create one map. Okay, for this. See, one of the example I'll tell you. Last year we created one app with the help of Gmap, Google Map. Okay, what is that? Is that ambulance? Okay, whenever you are calling for 108 ambulance, okay, or a ambulance, if you are calling, okay, in a location called as accident place, okay, immediately from the phone, the caller, okay, it will identify the location and the information is shared to the ambulance, latitude and longitude. Okay, immediately you will get a display in a phone or in a tablet which is available in the ambulance, how to move and how to reach that location. Okay, the path to reach the location. Last semester we did it, last year. Okay, and after reaching that place, okay, the driver, okay, one who drives that ambulance, has to click hospital. Yeah, option will be there button. It will show all possible nearer hospital locations, okay, in the map. Okay, and it shows the preference in such a way that which you can reach quickly. Maybe from here in a 4 kilometer a government hospital will be there, but another location 10 kilometer another hospital is there, but it is very free, the traffic is not there, everything is not there. So it will show how much, depending upon the time you are going to reach that hospital. Okay, for example, 10-kilometer hospital I can reach it in 12 minutes, but 4-kilometer hospital full of traffic I can reach it in 20 minutes. Means it will show the first option as that hospital. Okay, after clicking that hospital, okay, it automatically change the signaling, okay, traffic signaling to green when your ambulance start moving towards the hospital. When it is coming nearer to, for example, 100 meter nearer to a signal, automatically signal will be turned to green. Like that, last year we did a project, okay, IoT based ambulance project, okay, traffic light control for ambulance. That is what the project. Very interesting project. It is a quite interesting. These kind of project you cannot do it in the case of using Java. It is possible, but for that you are going to face a very big tedious coding. Whereas you see how simple with the 2 blocks, I can able to point my location. Okay. Yesterday also I said an example, okay, of tracking a child. Okay, I'll keep a small GPS box, okay, embedded box inside the packet of child. When the child is lost or kidnapped, okay, we can track the child and we can reach the child as soon as possible once you have this kind of app. You hear no bike theft, okay, tracking, okay, vehicle tracking systems, all those things they can do it with the help of this kind of MIT app rather than going for a JavaScript, okay, where you use this kind of sensors which is available inside your phone. Okay, so that is another question which has been frequently asked yesterday. Okay, when I have an option of coding, okay, why I have to go for blocks? Whether I have an opportunity after learning this kind of MIT app inverter, whether I have a job opportunity if I learn this MIT app. Definitely 100% guarantee that you have job opportunity when you go towards these kind of jobs. If you see this kind of job, one of the person I know it, okay, even in Tamil Nadu, Arcad itself, the app creator is there, okay, who creates with the help of this kind of MIT app inverter to find out this one. Their job is that their actual app is that only one app they are creating and maintaining app. What is that? Is that when you are using their app, okay, you can download it from Play Store. When you start moving from this location to, for example, I am moving from Vellore to Bangalore. Okay, I'll open the app, I'll put Bangalore and I'll switch on it. Okay, it will show the path to Bangalore. Okay, when I am moving in between, I need some information. Okay, for example, hotels. Okay, buttons will be there. A lot of buttons will be there. If I click the button hotel, it show all the possible in the path in the road. Okay, NH. Okay, what are the good hotels are available? Okay, that will be shown. Okay, they will get money from that what hotels. Okay, that is the way they are creating that. They will take money from the users, okay, from the Play Store. Okay, how many users using that app? Another thing is that for advertisement purpose, for example, I am using I am giving ad for Sangeeta Hotel. I'm giving more preference for Sangeeta Hotel, means they from Sangeeta Hotel also a nominal pay will be they are getting. Okay, those kind of apps can be created with the help of this kind of MIT app inverter. Hope it is very clear. Okay, I'll move back to the slides again. Now this is going to be our 9th app. Okay, the last app which I did it. Okay, so a classroom list. Okay, a classroom list. I taken only roll number and student name. That's all. This is what I am going to take because I cannot go and create a 5 or 6 database, right? Okay, I taken only 2 variables. Okay, not 2 variable. The roll number as well as student name. You can create your project in such a way that you can give more facts. Okay, that can be done. So my apps look like this. Okay, you can able to see roll number, again a label, a text box below that, okay, where you can enter the roll number and then enter your name. Okay, that roll number corresponding name, student name has to be entered in the text box to store. Once you give store in TinyDB, you can see here database I am going to use TinyDB. Okay, this TinyDB stores the data in your phone. Same TinyDB web is there that will store your data in website. Okay, in a web which is created by TinyDB. Okay, so you no need to pay for it. Okay, it is a free of cost. Okay, so I taken TinyDB. A database will be created inside your phone itself. Okay, and you're going to store the roll number as a tag. Tag name is roll number, and name of the student is going to be the value that corresponding tag. For example, 1. I given 501, 501. My name Prem Kumar. 502, Praveen. 503, okay, Sush. So 501 is the tag. The value for that tag is Prem. 502 is another tag. The value for that tag is Praveen. 503 is another tab. The value for that is Suresh. Okay, understand? In find another text box 3, I am using it, where you can give the tag name, either 501, 502, 503. And if you press find, okay, a label is used here, okay, which is not visible here, where it will display your name, okay, the name corresponding to that tag, okay, understand is clear? That is what the now your project I am going to do it. This you can make it as a big project, and you can make it for your college also, okay. You can give mark sheets, okay, you can give your unit test marks, and then you can give your timetable. All those things can be put in the database, and you can retrieve it. Even images can be stored in your database of tinydb1, okay. It's clear? Okay, let me go back to the what MIT app inverter and try to create this tab. Now, can you able to see MIT app inverter screen? I given start new project. Student. I given a name for this project is student list. Let me give OK. A new screen will be appeared. Where I am going to use two labels, one for number, one for enter your name, just displaying the text, and three text box, one for roll number, one for storing the name, typing the name, and then another text box for searching from the roll number. You have to enter the roll number to find the corresponding thing, and label, okay, and tinydb. So first I have to take label I take it and put it here, okay, and the label height I make it as 80. It's too high, I think. Make it as 60, okay, and with fill parent, and I use color pink color, and then font is bold and font size 24, and it should be in center alignment, and I'll give it as roll number ROOL, sorry, ROL. Roll number. You can see, right? And text box, again height 60, with fill parent, okay. Now it's not text box, it is a button. I take text box, I have to take it, okay. Let it be there, okay. I can use it later. So this text box height 60, with fill parent, okay, and then another label just to display enter your name, same 24 text size, font bold. Let us use yellow color for this background, and then height I fixed it, no, height 60. Let me fix the height 60, and width fill parent, okay, and text alignment is going to be center. Here I am going to write enter your name, okay, that's all, right? Yeah, another label, delete this one. Another label, okay, sorry, not label, let me use that label later, okay. another text box where you like to type your name, height 60, width fill parent, font size 20, and bold. Okay. So this also font size 20. And a button now. Click the button. After pressing the button only, it is going to save it. Okay. Taken a button and put it here. Okay. Now button text size 20, bold, and then the content for this button is store. Okay. I'm clicking the screen for horizontal center. Okay. Center lead you will get it. That's all. Okay. And another text box where I am going to give you what to find. Okay, that is the tag. There also font size 20, bold. Okay. This label, I make that label as empty now. Later on, after I am giving tag, and if I put a button, press a button, find, okay, it will show you the name. Okay, another button I am using, the font size 20. I am going to give find. Text is going to be find. That's all. Okay, these are the components I used it. So very simple that you leave about label roll number 1 as well as enter your name. Only that is just for displaying a text roll number that will indicate you to enter your roll number. That is not going to be any rule in your things which is required here is that 3 text box, 1 text box to enter your roll number, another text box to enter your name, the another text box where you are going to type your roll number. Okay, that's all. This is what thing. And 2 button, if you press store, okay, the value in your roll number as well as what name will be stored in your TinyDB. And if you press to find, okay, the value present in your text box 3, whatever the value is there, that is going to be taken as a tag. Corresponding value name will be displayed in your label. Label 3, I put it below to this. Okay, label 3 is there. Don't forget it. Okay, where I am going to display your what label. Now let me go for coding. Okay, very simple. Don't take it as a big one. Okay, see how simple is going to be there to store your this using TinyDB. Okay, button 1. What is button 1? Store. Okay, let me take the button 1. When button 1 is clicked, you can find when button 1 is clicked. Okay, I got it. What I have to do? I have to show the roll number as tag and name as the value to that tag. Okay, so I go for TinyDB. Once again, I go back to the design. You got design back because I forget to put a non-visible component called as TinyDB. I'll go back to the design. Okay. So see here in storage. In palette, storage is there. You can find it here, no? Storage. Can you see? Storage. That you click it. Here you find CloudDB, file, TinyDB, TinyWebDB. This TinyWebDB as well as CloudDB to store the data in the cloud. Okay. I am used to store the data. I am going to store the data in your phone. So TinyDB1. Okay. I taken it and put it here. Okay. Once I put here, it is a non-visible component which will be appear in below here. You can find it. Okay. Clear? We'll go back to the coding. I forget to put it here. That is the reason why I'll return back to the design and come back 1 second. Now I am going to call the TinyDB Okay, here you can find tinydb. Okay, click that one. It will show a lot of blocks. Okay, I want to store a value. See here options: tinydb clear tags, get tags. Okay, value and get value. Okay, to return the values, take the value and store. Here is there store. Okay, so call tinydb dot store value taken and put it here. Already I said which is your tag. Roll number is your tag. Value is going to be your name. Okay, so where the roll number is stored, text one box, sorry, text box one dot text. Okay, so I'll click the text box one. I find a text box one dot text here. Try to search it. Text box one dot text is here. I take it and put it in your tag. Now tag is going to be your roll number. Under the tag roll number, I am going to store the name. Where the name is there, student name, which is going to be there in your text box 2. So I'll click the text box 2. 1 second. It will take only another 5 minutes, sir. I'll complete it. Yeah. Okay. Sorry, call came from the organizer. How much time? Okay, text box 2 dot text. That I put it in. Okay, that's all. Is over, right? Now once the button is clicked, it use that roll number as tag. That is nothing but your text box 1 dot text, and the value corresponding to that roll number is going to be text box 2 dot text. Now button 2. What is button 2? To retrieve the data, right? To get the data. Okay. When button do dot click, after clicking the button 2, what it has to do means it has to set the label 3, where I like to display the name. Okay, so I'll go for label 3. Here label 3 is there. Set label 3 text. Okay, set label 3 height is there. I'll change it as text. Okay, set label 3 dot text is equal to, I have to, what data I have to take it? I have to take it from the tinydb database. Okay, so that will be available here in tinydb. Okay, already I shown. Call tinydb one dot get value. Okay, from the tag, which is the tag, the now searching tag, it is present in your text box 3 dot text. Okay, so I'll be going for text box 3 dot text. I'll put it here. So for example, I given 3 values: 501 Prem Kumar, 502 Praveen, 503 Suresh. Okay, if I give 504 in my text box 3, if I search it, the value will not be there. Okay, the value tag not there means it has to display no data. Just any text which you no data found. Okay, understand is clear? That's all. Your program is over. Okay, when once you button one you are clicking, it stores the what tag value and the corresponding value. Okay, which is available in your text box 1 and text box 2. When you press find button, that is your button number 2, it use the tag which is present in your text box 3 and display it in your label 3. Okay, if the data is not present, if that corresponding tag is not present, no data is found will be displayed. Okay, that's all. I'll create this app. Let me show you in the app. Okay, I'll share my screen, mobile screen. Hope you are able to visible my mobile screen. Now I open the app which has been created just now. Visible? My app? Sir,
Sir,
I'm not able to show my
now
screen.
sharing. What sharing?
I tried to share my phone screen, sir, but it is not visible. I don't know why. This is the last tab. Hello?
Yes, sir.
Sir, you are till now forward only.
Sir?
Screen for I started a screen sharing.
But when
I
I
can stop
do
and share it, sir.
okay, sir. I'll stop sharing here.
No.
Okay, sir. Sir, it is.
Tell me, sir.
I'm not getting my phone sharing, sir. No problem. So here,
Okay.
let me explain as it is. Okay. Here, roll number, you can enter it and you can give name. And if you press store, that will be saved in your app. Okay. And then if you press, for example, 503 and find, you will get Suresh will be displayed here label. Okay. That is the way I am getting here, but I am not able to share my mobile screen. Okay. So this is what I want to explain. So totally 9 different apps has been created. It's a small initiative which has been made by me with the help of your gallery, as well as with the help of your tutorials which is available in your MIT app inverter. There is sky is the limit to create any app. It is possible to create any app. One of the person yesterday asked that, can I create a game app? Yes, definitely it is possible. You can able to create a game app. Any app can be created, okay, with the help of this MIT app inverter. Okay, 100% possible, and you will have a very good future also when you are learning this MIT app inverter thoroughly in depth. Okay, but it cannot be cover entire thing in a 2-day session. Okay, but it is possible for you with this initiative to create any app. Okay. So that's it. My session has been over. I think that everyone enjoyed this course, okay, for 2 days and learned something about this MIT app inverter to create apps. If you have questions, you can post it in the chat box, as well as if you have any queries, you can mail me also. Okay, just I'll give a mail address so that you can send a mail also for me. 1 second. My mail ID is that This is my mail ID and my phone number. Okay.
Then, sir,
Yes, sir. That's all, sir. Now the session is over.
shall we
You
pose the
can,
question? Shall we pose the questions? Question.
yes, sir. Sure, sir. If you have any queries, you can ask.
Shall we pose the questions?
Sorry for taking. Yes, sir. We can go for questions, sir.
The query is available in WhatsApp, sir.
Chat box.
Query is available in WhatsApp, sir.
I'll go for chat.
WhatsApp.
WhatsApp. Okay, sir.
WhatsApp. I collected everything, put it.
Okay, sir.
So their participants, they are now posted quiz link in our group.
Sir, by you, they asked a question, sir. Sir, by
Yes,
using
sir.
S2S app, okay, shake to speak, will we open our mobile lock? No, it is not possible. Okay, it is not possible to open your mobile lock by shaking. By shaking, yes. Oh, that is possible. Yeah, your question now I understand. So by shaking that, I want to open my mobile lock. Yes, it is possible. 100% possible. You have to write the corresponding code for that. Okay. Next question is that can we use our phone back button to get back for the second? Yes, 100%. You can use automatically, it will be there. Okay. If you use back button, see for example, I taken an app called as first screen. I taken Sachin Tendulkar, Virat Kohli as well as MS Dhoni. I go for the second screen. From second screen, without pressing the button which I created, if you use your mobile phone back also, it will come back to your screen. Okay, that is default. Okay, that is possible. Okay, and then sir, video player is not playing video in my mobile. I am using Android 10. Is there any problem in it? No, maybe because you are already you have a player that you fixed it as a default player. Okay, remove that as a default player and try to use it. Definitely it will work. I don't find any other fault in opening that kind of player. Okay, definitely it will work if you remove your player as default. Okay, if you open any video files, it will open that default player. Okay, if you remove that as a default player, okay, and this coding will work. Sir, create a SMS app. The app depends on mobile message base. Any other possible for message app without base? Yes, it is possible. You can use internet also to send messages. For example, daily I want to send a for a school or for a college, I want to send to the students, okay, about attendance to 1,000 people means your mobile phone is not suitable, right? So you can use a website, but you have to pay it for that. Okay, you have to pay it and you get the permission from the corresponding sending SMS for that. Okay, and then you can use that link to send SMS. You can create app to link with that and you can send the SMS. Okay, you have been seen, no, simple SMS there to send SMS. That is another story. It is possible to send SMS with the website also. So these are the 4 questions which is available in my WhatsApp group. Any more question means you can put it in your chat box. I'll open the chat box. What name chats are there?
Sir, I
Is there
think
any
some
future?
participants have raised their hands. Shall I unmute them?
Yeah, you can unmute him, sir, madam. Before that, let me complete this chat box questions, madam.
Okay, okay, sir.
How can I put Google Ads in app? Okay, with we see active. That is what I said. No, with the help of this activity starter, you can open another app also. With the help of that, you can do ads also. Okay, and is there any future to import data from existing Excel sheet? Yes, you can use Excel sheet as a database, and you can extract data from, that you have to fix it as a backend data. Okay, and you can do it. Even Gmail you can share it with this. Okay, and you can Google Sheets also possible. Okay, to link with your what MIT app inverter. Sir, how can I put Google? That is what I said already. Okay. That's all questions are there, ma'am. I think. Yes, screen lock can be created with the help of this app. Sir, can you tell me about the bag in the block? Yes, that's what I already said. The bag which is appeared in your blocks is to just copy the blocks and put it in the bag. When you are opening another what project, you can use the same code. You cannot copy it here. Like for example, I want to copy 5 lines of your one program scripting to another program. Means just I can go it and I can make it as bold and block it and copy it and paste it in my new program window. Okay. But here you cannot copy the blocks. Okay, the blocks can be copied with the help of this bag. You can bring that whatever the block you like to use it in some other project, you can put it in the bag, and when you are going to that project, and if you click the bag, it will show you what are the codes you already copied, and you can drag it from the bag to your window, programming window. Okay. Thank you so much, sir. We'll definitely work in this MIT app used for electrical side. Yes. See, for example, I can create an app to control this fan, light, everything. Okay, it is possible with the help of Bluetooth, with the help of Wi-Fi, IoT is possible. I did it already. It is very nice session, clear explanation, very useful, friendly. Also, look like think or open source. Okay. Feedback. How to publish your app? Yesterday itself I said in MIT app inventor itself, a publish location is there. You can publish your app so that everyone can view it and everyone can start using it. But if you want to publish in Play Store, you have to pay and publish it. Can we use slider to slide the picture instead of using a back button? Yes, yes, you can put in one single screen itself 3 to 4 images. Just I want to show you 3 different screens. I am opening it. Okay, you can use a slider. Okay, in layout I shown no vertical slider. Okay, that you can scroller that you can use it. Okay, or you can use a slider and put so many images in one slide. Thank you very much for a good session. Now, madam.
Yes, sir.
Madam, if anyone raise the hands, you can allow them.
Yes, sir. Yes.
And
Ravinder Singh has
these are the
raised.
questions which is there in that.
Yes, sir.
Yes, madam.
Good afternoon, sir. Good
Madam.
afternoon, ma'am. I have a question, sir.
Yeah.
App that we are going to design, how we can publish on Android Play Store.
That's what Play Store. In
Yes,
the
sir.
case of
I
Play
want to
Store, you
upload
have to
the
pay.
app.
You have
Yes,
to pay. You have to pay a nominal amount. It is in order of 100 to 500, 600 rupees. Okay.
Okay, sir. Could you tell me the steps that I should follow?
Yeah, you can search it. You can search it in the website itself. Okay, in a Google search, Play Store. Okay, Play Store Publishing. Okay, you can put it like that. You will get the corresponding website. Okay, there you can put your APK file. Okay, and they will ask you this is this much MB. So corresponding money they will tell you. If you pay it by using your card or your net banking, it is possible to publish your app in your Play Store.
Oh, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Sir, another participant, Harshita. Harshita, you can unmute yourself.
Sir, good morning, sir.
Good afternoon.
Sir, actually, my doubt is, can we create a LMS, learning management system through App Inventor, sir, like uploading file and giving marks to the files?
Yeah. You are asking something like Google Classroom. Am I right?
Not exactly, sir. But the same app should have attendance, student marks, uploading,
Yes.
assignments uploading, exams, keeping quizzes like that.
100% possible. 100% possible. Okay, 100% possible. You should create.
Is there
your
any
skills.
gallery app,
you
sir?
should learn this. Gallery. Yeah. You can create gallery app also. Gallery app also possible. You can create it.
Is it there, sir, in gallery?
Yes. You can find it in the gallery. Yes, it is there. You can go for college management. Okay, college management or college students app, like that. You click it. Okay, you will get different tabs. Okay, you have to select the right one. It is there.
Thank
That's what
you,
I
sir.
said. Already I created an app for my college. Okay, a simple app for my college. Anyone else?
I think that's all from the participant side. Participants, whether anyone have any queries, you can raise your hand or post your queries on the chat box.
Ate?
Sir?
No. I call principal now. Principal is coming, sir. I think we're going to end it.
Okay.
Sir, I need to post the quiz link, sir.
I posted, sir. I posted.
Okay, sir. Then okay.
Already participated.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Okay, principal is coming now, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, I unlocked it, sir. Okay.
Sir?
So, 1 minute, sir. Sorry, still joining.
Okay, sir.
So, dear participants, after the validity functions, we post the feedback form and also certificate link.
Principal வந்துட்டார் பாருங்க. Principal தான்.
Which one, sir? Principal, sir?
Admit பண்ணிட்டேனே. வந்தார்.
Admit பண்ணிட்டீங்களா?
பண்ணிட்டேன்.
Good afternoon, sir. Prem, sir?
Yes, sir. Good afternoon, sir.
To stop the share, sir.
Sir, is there, sir?
Sharing stop பண்ணுங்க சார்.
Okay, sir.
Feedback link.
Principal sir's audio is not visible here.
Sir, someone, Bhanumati is sharing the screen.
Send me feedback link.
I will send it. I will send it.
Principal is talking, sir, but audio is not.
Dr. Jagadishan, do you hear me?
Yes, sir. Now
yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Good morning to all of you. Good morning to all of you. So I'm very happy that many number of participants joined in this group for webinar. So I think more than 1,000 people registered for this one. And I had to thank the organizers, especially Dr. Jagadishan and Sreenivasa and all the people at Aarti of Sreenivasa Institute of Technology Management Studies for organizing this one. So I wish you all the best, and future also continuously will be keeping this type of webinars with very good keynote speakers and all these people. So on behalf of management, I had to thank the speakers also for this two-day webinar. So thank you. Have a nice day. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Yes, sir. Now I
Aarti,
request.
we'll start.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Now I request Dr. D. Jagdishan, the convener of this webinar, to give the event report.
Yeah.
Good afternoon to one and all.
The audio is not clear, sir.
Sharing.
PPT is sharing, sir. You can give slideshow, sir.
Aarti,
Sir, audio is not clear, sir.
Madam,
Sir, yes, sir.
I think Jagdishan sir is
Yes,
not
sir.
in the
It was disconnected. Yes, sir. Now sir
disconnected.
came. Sir came.
Okay. Okay.
Sir, Prem, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now you are getting. Now you
Sir,
are getting.
now I'm yes, sir. Now it is visible, sir.
Okay. Good evening to one and all.
Sir, but your voice is not
First
clear,
of all, I
sir.
thank to management, principal sir, for gave this permission for the conducting this seminar. Now it's okay, sir.
Now it is okay, sir.
Hello.
Now okay, sir. Good.
Okay. So, okay. So, and also thank to Professor S. Prem Kumar sir for accepting my request and also gave the for today's seminars. So now summarized how many people are registered in this seminar. So who are from India, who are from foreign countries, and also so how many people are registered from the different states. So totally issued 1,058 registrations. From that, 1,051 members from India, 4 from Oman, 1 from Eastern Europe, 1 from Iraq, another one from Indonesia. I also now seen in the YouTube live. South Africa also joined 1 person. From state-wise participation registration in India, totally 24 states have contributed. So from Andhra Pradesh to 77, Tamil Nadu 503, Maharashtra, Karnataka, Telangana, Uttar Pradesh, Gujarat, Haryana, Pondicherry, Rajasthan, Kerala, Punjab, Chhattisgarh, Jammu and Kashmir, Goa, Delhi, Bihar, Maldives, Assam, West Bengal, Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Daman Diu, and Madhya Pradesh. So most of the participants are participated in these seminars. Then decision-based participation, professors 4%, associate professor 3%, assistant professors 4%, student 65%. So mostly contributed students and others 4%, and assistant professor 24%. So nearly 35% from the faculty side. So yesterday the YouTube viewers 784 viewers for to see the yesterday class view. Today I'm not took till now. So thanks to all coordinators. Once again, thank to our chief guest, and also thanks to our principal. Thanks to one and all.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Now I request Professor Sreenivasa from Department of CSC to deliver a vote of thanks.
Respected beloved principal sir, Dr. P. Ramesh Kumar sir, respected vice principal, Dr. Srikant sir, honorable resource person, Professor Prem Kumar sir, and our beloved HOD, Dr. Nagaraj sir, and the program convener and IQAC coordinator, Dr. D. Jagdishan sir, and my dear colleagues and all the participants, good morning to all. I deem it a great honor to propose this vote of thanks to all who helped us in making this webinar such a resounding success. First of all, I would like to propose hearty vote of thanks to our respected chairperson, madam, management, and our beloved principal, sir, for gracing the webinar. Thank you, sir. I would like to thank our HOD, Dr. Nagaraj, sir, for his moral support and guidance. I would like to thank our program convener, Dr. D. Jagdishan, sir, IKC coordinator, for organizing such a wonderful webinar to learn new technologies. I would like to thank our distinguished resource person, Professor Prem Kumar, sir, for making an excellent presentation with the hands-on session and make this webinar interesting and very useful. I would like to thank the coordinators for making this webinar a great success. And I'm happy to express my vote of thanks to our staff members who have made this webinar a grand success. Finally, the wonderful participants who have turned up in such a great number, not only from our department, but also from other departments of various colleges in India and abroad. Thank you so much for all your cooperation. Once again, I thank all for your cordial cooperation. Thank you, one and all. Thank you. Thank you, madam. Thank you to all.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.